On Tuesday's video, I gave you guys the best levels to be trading at. I told you specifically, if 580 breaks on SPY, we are going to free fall to 577.14. And that's exactly what happened. What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades we took yesterday, today, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, yesterday, we knew it was up. As soon as we broke under 580, guys, on the retest short, we absolutely printed here. We had a beautiful shooting star rejection. Dimitri and myself ended up taking this off stream. Unfortunately, I wish I was able to document this trade. We ended up getting, as soon as we broke over 581.50, both of us hit the puts, and we absolutely printed. Rest is history. Today, what did we end up doing today? So, in the pre-market analysis with the Daily Sniper that we do every single morning, 579.32 and 578.73. These two green lines were my buy zone. Okay? This is where I wanted to be buying calls at, and that's exactly what happened. And I get ridiculed a lot because I sell way too quickly. But today worked out perfectly. As soon as we broke under into my buy zone, I ended up buying calls. I was averaging in. As soon as we hit the bottom level, guys, at 578.73, I went full size position. Look at the low. Look at my channel and look where we went to. If you know how options contracts worked, this is 70-80% same days. A crazy move. And I hit this trade. Not only then, I ended up getting in again because we ended up... Sorry, let me find where I'm going. Okay, so we ended up making a higher low on this candle. Okay, you see how we have a low of day. We made a higher high. We came back down, made a higher low. So we had a sloping support. This 5-minute candle here, I ended up buying same day calls here and alerting it. Immediately green. Immediately green. The next trade, right? PCP, the previous closing price. I was telling the Discord, I knew this. If we come back down to PCP, we're going to free fall to the 575.50, 576 level. And that's exactly what happened. Why did SPY end up ripping? I'm going to show you right now. This sell-off, right? As soon as we broke under here, immediate rip. Okay, you don't short. You wait for PCP. We ripped back up, guys. We had a nice, healthy pullback. And then we took control of our buy level again between 578.73 and 579.32, right? And if you want to know where I get this level from, this is what I tell everyone. Look left. I don't use indicators to trade. I don't listen to other people's opinion. I'm a stubborn trader. I'm so confident in my ability of trading that I don't listen to anyone. I don't care what anyone has to say because I'm in control of my own personal money, as you guys should all be, and make a bag. Dimitri went short this morning, made a bag. I went the opposite way, made a bag. He went short again, made a bag. I went calls again, made a bag, right? And he's the best trader I know. It's a part of trading. That's why you can't just follow one person's opinion, because Dimitri was right first thing in the morning, but then my calls were right, his shorts were right, and then my calls were right again, but the overall trade was to the downside. Okay? We both crushed it today, as well as Options Doctor. I'm pretty sure he made like 20 grand today. It was an easy day to trade in hindsight, okay? That's what I like to say. If you... After the day's done, you scroll out, you're like, okay, that makes sense. To this morning's price action was absolutely trash. Not going to lie, guys. We're just consolidating here. I was lucky enough to make a bag, okay? So my original buy zone, again, you look left. Look at Monday and Tuesday's levels. We came back down to our buy zone, immediately bounced. Came back again, immediately bounced. This is where I got my zone from, okay? This is my buy zone. I use zero indicators other than moving averages. And it looked extremely bearish this morning, but I was buying calls. I'm buying my level. My key levels are the history of SPY. So I'm buying where SPY has previously shown me that massive bounces could occur. And I stuck to my game plan regardless of whatever was being said, and I made a stupid bag today. Now, let's look at tomorrow. What is the game plan for tomorrow? As of right now, okay. It's bearish, lower highs, but a higher high. But the 5-minute chart looks pretty bullish right now, okay? So let's just say this. If we hold above 580, we're going to 580.150. If we hold 580.150 support, we're going to 582.36. If we end up gapping down, PCP, 579.24. I'm just gonna put our level 579.24. Okay, 579.24. This is gonna be a big level. As you guys know, I teach the gap close reversal, previous closing price, guys. This is like my strategy, my go-to trade. I make a lot of money off of it. That's why I just like, even if I'm not trading it, I like to have it on my chart. It gives me the direction. Are we holding yesterday's previous resistance as a support? Or is yesterday's previous resistance still a support? So 580. If we hold above 580, we're going $1.50 up to $2. If we end up gapping down, 578.73. If we end up rejecting this, we are going to free fall all the way down to 573. And I'm just going to show you on the daily time frame right now what I see, okay? I say I don't use indicators. Moving averages are indicators, but I don't have a buy sell button. I don't look at volume. I don't look at MACDs. I look at nothing. I just trade the history of SPY. Okay, so where could we go down to? An easy drop, a bullish drop, 566.50s, right? You're looking at the same chart I'm looking at. Where could we find support down here, right? And now let's look at a higher low, 572, 573, as I just said. Okay, potentially best levels to be shorting at is a lower high, 582.30s. That's exactly what I'm looking at. Tomorrow morning, I'm going live on YouTube. I haven't done this in a while. I'm going to live on YouTube. I want to show you guys what exactly you are paying for. At the Daily Sniper, we are specializing in options trading. I've been trading with a small account. I've made over $32,000 in the last 5 weeks. Doesn't sound like a lot of money to a lot of people, but when you're scalping with 10 grand, that's a shitload of money. And now I'm getting very good at scalping small accounts. Today, I hit 77 contracts, same days, full portfolio, made over $2,000 on a trade. I'm not being reckless. I'm waiting for the best levels to go. I'm playing my game plan, and I'm selling the move at all times. I don't care if this ran to 590 today and I bought the low. I'm always selling the move. The most important part to day trading is protecting your capital and to make money. But not every trade goes as planned. You can hit the same trade 99 times in a row, and the next one time it won't work because there's no one strategy in day trading that works every single time, or the people teaching you this would be eccentric billionaires, right? The market makers are smart. They know they will make something look bearish and rip it. They'll make something look bullish and drop it. This is why our risk management and stop losses are very important. There's a lot of people out there, that degens that don't know how to trade and claim they do, that don't use stop losses. That's stupid. It's bullshit. Show the P&Ls. If you don't use stop losses, show the P&Ls. I'm telling you guys this, and I don't want to shit on anyone. I'm just saying what works for myself, and the same thing that works for me works for Dimitri. We know what we're doing. We specialize in options trading. Dimitri kills it on same days. I kill it 3 to 5 days out at all times, right? We're heavy 6 figures. Dimitri's over 7 figures this year already. I haven't reached that yet. I plan to hit that this year, but we know what we're doing, guys. We barely have red days. We know what we're doing. We wait for the best levels. I don't care if you have $1 million in your account or you have $1,000 in your account. If you are newer to trading or you've been struggling with trading, you need to understand that you need to wait. It's patience. Wait for the best levels. Let's look at this morning. If I would have just waited for my bottom level of my buy zone, I would have made a lot of money. But I was buying in the open gap. That's okay. Things happen, right? Anyways, guys, that's it for me today. Again, the Daily Sniper, no more discounts. It is done. The prices are going up as of tomorrow. No more 50%. If you use it today, you can lock yourself in indefinitely until you cancel the contracts. Again, if you don't like the Daily Sniper, I will give you 100% money back guarantee, guys. We live stream every single day. We know what we're doing. Come check us out, guys. Link is in the bio. Use code MONEY at checkout, MONEY. Save yourself 50%, and I'll see everyone on Sunday's video. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever those YouTubers do, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care.